Hi, it's Beth. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our spring workshops. Our first workshop's Michelle Byrne. She's a well-known Santa Fe artist who paints primarily with oil paints, but she will accept acrylics for this workshop. Michelle uses a palette knife and will be teaching the students how to add figures into your paintings in a natural way. Her workshop runs April 24th through April 27th, and we do have a few seats left. Next workshop we have May 1st through May 4th is with sculptor Lynn Fraley. I'm so excited about this class. This is our first sculpture workshop. Lynn will be teaching us how to sculpt horses. We have horses, 3 horses here at the ranch now, and we'll be able to use our horses as models for measuring and to see their muscles. And Lynn will be guiding us through a 4-day workshop. The third workshop of the season is with Susan Kuznitsky. She is a well-known, accomplished pastel artist, but she also paints in oil. She will accept soft pastel, oil, and acrylic at this workshop. We'll be painting the colors of spring. Her workshop is May 15th through the 18th. We're going to be painting my iris garden. So much fun. Also be able to visit the studio of Albert Handel, who has been one of Susan's mentors for decades. Also offering a very special workshop with David LaFell and Sherry McGraw. That workshop, of course, filled up months ago, but we do have a wait list, so if you're interested, add your name to that list. Scottish pastel artist Tony Elane is coming to my workshop June 8th through the 10th. This workshop filled up so fast, but again, I have a wait list. And if you don't know Tony's work, it's worth checking out. He's bold and colorful, and he is so funny in person. My last workshop for spring and early summer season is with Richie VF. Richie is an incredibly talented master watercolorist. He's a trained architect, and he will take us through the steps of his watercolor process. This will be a plein air workshop, but we will also be working in the studio. Richie is on fire right now. He's winning awards all over the country, and you don't want to miss this one. It's going to be a fantastic watercolor workshop. See you in Santa Fe.